Hey folks, in this video, I'm cooking some Parmesan Crusted Cod fillets. So I've got a couple cod fillets here, and I'm just going to season these with a little blackening seasoning. I'm going to do it on both sides. Just like that. And then I'm going to put these in a little bit of flour, and this is actually seasoned flour, Kentucky Colonel seasoned flour. If you can't get that where you live, you can just put a little salt and pepper or even some seasoned salt in your flour, and that will work. Just going to lightly dredge about like that. And then it's going to go into an egg. And then after that, it's going into some panko breadcrumbs. Just like that. Now I'll go ahead and do my other one. Dredge it in a little flour. Probably could have used a bigger bowl for this, but you get the idea. Then into my egg. Both sides. And then into the breadcrumbs. Now I'm going to put a skillet on medium heat, and I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in the skillet and a pretty good amount of butter. Let that melt, and we'll put the fish in. Skillet's ready, so I'll go ahead and put the fish in. Remember to lay it away from you, that way you don't splash any of the hot oil or butter on you. We're just going to let that cook for a few minutes until it gets brown on that side. All right, so this has been cooking for just a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and gently flip these over. Try to not lose much of my breading if I can. Really just want it to get a little bit brown. We'll finish cooking this in the oven in just a few minutes. So I'm going to let it brown on that side for just a few minutes. Now this has been cooking for just a few minutes. I'm going to go on top of it with some fine shredded Parmesan cheese. I just bought some that's already shredded. You can grate or shred your own if you've got a wedge. And put as much as you want on there. I just killed the heat, and this is going into a 350-degree oven for just a few minutes. If you notice, it got nice and crispy. Those breadcrumbs, the blackening seasoning will give it some nice flavor. And then the Parmesan cheese on there, I left it in the oven long enough to let the fish cook a little and to sort of melt the Parmesan. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it now. And I fixed some roasted potatoes off camera to go with it. Make sure I get some of the breading and the fish here. Really flaky. That's really good. It didn't take long to cook that. Nice and flavorful. I like cod. It was really nice and flaky. Good fish. The breadcrumbs, just the right amount of crunch on there, and then just finished it with the Parmesan cheese. You can serve this with pasta, serve it with potatoes, rice, anything you want. Hope you'll give it a try. I appreciate you watching. Check out some more videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. God bless you.